Racing Jazz is started with Dream of All. Break quick, let us start. Hidden moment in between horses comes me. Delia Amore, Haring Araw comes next. Then followed now by Mezzanine alongside Pusong Bato. Breaking Bad racing second last, while Director's Diva is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. Racing down the backstretch with the fast is stepping Hidden Moment on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 4 lengths lead. And in second is Dream of All, Haring Araw, Nidalia Amore comes next, then followed now by Breaking Bad, Mezzanine, Pusong Bato, while Director's Diva is still racing in last. At the fourth turn wheel, Hidden Moment enjoying a 6 lengths lead. Haring Araw now to take second, Breaking Bad is running by the rail. The next online is Dream of All, Mezzanine, Nidalia Amore comes next, and they are now entering the home stretch. Hidden Moment, Breaking Bad, Haring Araw is on the outside. It's now Breaking Bad, Haring Araw is on the outside. Breaking Bad, Haring Araw is on the outside, but it's still Breaking Bad as the curtain closer. Haring Araw third close, Hidden Moment, Mezzanine, then comes Dream of All, Pusong Bato.
Alright, we have an upset, number 6, Breaking Bad, crossing the wire first, running by Deo Fernandez, then masisigundo nga lang, number 7, Haring Araw, then Mezzanine close with Hidden Moment. Panoorin natin.